Hey guys, thanks for watching so far. Didn't do a lot of talking in this video, so I'll just kind of explain. Since part one, obviously I've done some welding, some grinding. There's a V channel right down the center of those two pieces that I showed you before that I filled in, as well as all this sides down here on the bottom along these fronts. I filled all that in with about 10 pounds of welding rod, and then the last 1/4 inch I had some hard surfacing rod that I used to finish it off with on the surface and on the horn here. Originally I was planning on taking, and you can see in there, but right here in this back where it's kind of open, I was planning on taking and putting some plate steel over that so it looked like it was all full in up here on the front too. But then I got to thinking about it, and I like it the way it is. I like it with the open side. You can tell that it was made from a railroad track end, or a piece of railroad track, and I like that. I like the the homemadeness of it. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Besides that, it's plenty heavy like that. I may stuff some chains in there or something when I'm done to kind of help weight it down and get rid of the ring. But that's where we're at right now. It's all welded up. Everything has been kind of roughed around. I got this fairly flat, and we're gonna do. Next step is to heat treat it. We're gonna get this puppy piping hot and dunk it in some water. Get it all nice and hard. We'll take it after that, and I'll do the finish grinding on it. I'll make sure this is nice and flat. I'll kind of get rid of some of this stuff that is still showing in here, and then just kind of clean it up, and then it'll be done. We'll have ourselves a genuine homemade anvil. So a little bit about it, real quick. It's 24 inches from anvil to butt. It's 4.5 inches wide on the top here. It's got a 3/4 inch hardy hole, 3/8 inch pritchett hole. The horn is about 8 inches. It's not a huge horn. I was gonna try and make it bigger, but then when I got it out there and was looking at it, I think it looks just fine. I was afraid it was gonna be too small and not be in proportion with the rest of it, but I think it looks pretty good the way it is. So we're gonna leave that as well. We're not gonna make it any longer or anything. So stick around. Part 3 will be me heat treat. Subscribe for future videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this so far, and we'll continue with number 3.